This instrument is called as disintegration tester. This is used to find out the disintegration time of the tablets. So you can see here it mainly consists of a big water bath where you put the water for heating, and there is inbuilt pump. It is pumping the heated water in the water bath. In the water bath you can see one beaker is there. In this beaker you put the disintegration media, usually water or 0.1 normal HCl, and after that in the same media you can see here is in test tube assembly. It consists of 6 test tube in one shaft which is going up and down. So the test tube, in 6 test tube you are going to put one formulation in each tube. So at a time you are going to use 6 tablet at least to do this test. Okay, and after putting the tablet, you can put in the disc there. It is a small piece of plastic which you put over the tablet or capsule, so to prevent it to come outside of the tube. And after starting this instrument, this one you can see here it is moving up and down. So it is certain height, like 50 or 55 millimeter. It is going up and down. It is a kind of vibrational movement that you see in the stomach. So what you measure here is that after 15 minutes, for example, 15 minutes is the time period for the tablet to disintegrate, the maximum time. So you have to see, either you can set a time period of 15 minutes and then the machine will stop after 15 minutes. Then you can see the material on the screen in the tube. If there is any material on the screen in the tube, it means that disintegration is failed. The tablet is not a good quality. And if you cannot see anything on the screen, so it means that the tablet is good quality and the disintegration test is passed. So either you can see the time limit within 15 minutes everything is gone, or you can be there continuously observing your tablet, and you can write down the real time at what time the tablet has disintegrated. For example, at 4 minutes or 5 minutes, what is the actual time. So you can even find out the actual time also, or otherwise you can wait till 15 minutes, and after 15 minutes just see all the tubes. Okay, I will stop it now and I will show you the screen. So this is the screen. In the screen you are going to see that all the screen is clean. There is nothing, no tablet there on the screen, so it means that disintegration has passed. Okay, this is called as dissolution tester, dissolution apparatus. It is from Distech, and there are several other companies like Irvika, Pharmatest. So almost all of them, they have similar kind of apparatus, similar assembly. It mainly consists of a big basket you can see here, which is actually the water bath. You have the water there, and you heat it up to 37 degrees centigrade to simulate with the body body temperature. Then in this bath you can see the several round bottom vessel or flask. So in these vessels you are going to put dissolution media, water or 0.1 normal HCl or any buffer, usually 900 ml or 1 liter, or in some cases even lower amount you can take. So you put the dissolution media there in the vessel, and then the vessel is put into the bath. and then you can see, the assembly for the agitation is pedal or basket. Okay, so depending on the case, you are going to use just one, either basket or pedal, and you are going to use 6 vessel at a time for one test. So you will arrange them, either pedal or basket, with 6 vessel and the same media in all of these 6, and you are going to put one formulation, one tablet in each vessel. Then you start this machine, and then depending on the type of sampling method, you are going to take either one sample at particular time of point like half hour or 45 minutes, or you are going to take, many sample at different time interval. Okay, and then you find out the amount of the drug released from your tablet at these time points. And then there is acceptance criteria. You have to see that, like half hour or 45 minute, 80% or 85% drug has released or not. If it is released, though, so dissolution is passed. If any other tablet is failing, so you have to repeat the test for another 6 tablet, or in the third stage you have to do it for another, 12 tablet. So it is several stages there. In first stage it is passed, then it is okay, no need to go for further stage. If it is failed, then you go for the next stage also. The main purpose there to find out the release, how much drug is releasing at what time. And in modified release dosage form, you can carry on this dissolution until 12 hour or even sometime 24 hour. You take many time points starting from 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour and 6 hour, 8 hours, 12 hours and 24 hours. Like this you have to follow the schedule, and you make a plot of amount of the drug release versus time. Okay, so you create a kind of dissolution profile. It is very, very important, apparatus, which is directly related with the performance of the dosage form. Okay.